My name is Eleanor Kane, and I am a co-founder of the Stratford Chefs School. I think this book is very timely. It's perhaps long overdue.
So my name is Ryan O'Donnell, and I'm the executive chef for Windsor Hospitality, specifically Mercer Kitchen and Beer Hall. I see my producers in our restaurant. I see them at the market on the weekends. When I have been to the farm, I can vouch for the quality of the production. I also am supporting the community in which I live.
So we're at our back barn where we currently have about 400 ducks. They're a mixture of breeds, but most of them are meat ducks that go to restaurants.
So we use Peking duck. We do a saute of root vegetables with a lot of sesame oil, and we get that kind of nutty flavor from the oil. And then we add a soy barbecue sauce that provides a basis for the duck confit to be enjoyed, as well as the lightly smoked duck breast.